You want to eat the mouse? He tried to eat the mouse. Char-char. 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 Hey, Char-char. Hey. He really wants some. And he don't even care. See the mouse? So this mouse was supposed to be his food, but he decided he didn't want it, so they made friends. But he kept crapping in his cage, so we made another one for him. So now we got 5 pets, including our kids. We got 2 bearded dragons, a mouse.
I don't think you're counting them right.
Yeah, 5. We got Drake, our oldest son, Aiden, our second oldest son, Doors, our third oldest, who is a lizard, Knobs, who is our 4th oldest, Char-char, who is our 5th oldest, so yeah, you're right. And Char-char's what, 9 months?
Almost. Not quite.
Pretty big for 9 months. And Chester is probably 4 days, 5 days. Or no, we've had him for a while. He's probably about a week.
Chargers, it's 2 weeks short of being oh no, 6 days short. I'm sorry. 1 week short of being 9 months.
We're watching you.
Oh, he will eat it.
Yeah, he's hungry. He will eat it.
I didn't think he would. I didn't think he would eat it.
You don't even care that the cat's right there.
I thought he was...
Look at Char-char. He's like, what are you doing? You don't stick your tongue out.
I thought the mouse was too big.
You know, he can still swallow it if he wanted. It'd probably take him a little bit. That made Char-char jump. Char-char's like, what are you doing? Like, I'm getting over here. You're gonna catch me with that thing.
I really didn't think Doris would go after him.
Hey, don't eat the ball.
Are you pulling a Doors, Char-char?
Probably should put Doors back in the thing. It's
Yeah.
not that warm down. Yeah.
Probably getting chilly. You're getting chilly. Come here. It's okay. You want to do your lights? Here, now, it's your turn. Is it your turn to play? You're already chilly.
He doesn't like that light.
He looks like he needs to eat. Look at how skinny he is compared to Doors.
And this is the guy that wouldn't eat him. He's the one that would let him crawl all over him and cuddle with him and not do anything about it. He'd just look at him. I guess he figured he had his own pet. How old is Doors and Knobs are? Well, Doors is probably about a year and probably 4 months or something like that. 5 months. I think Knobs is...
I think he's only a month or 2 younger than Doors.
Yeah.
But look at how skinny he is. Do you think there's something wrong with him?
I hope not. They're expensive. is my favorite pet.
Get out of here.
He's not gonna bite the mouse. He's gonna like give it blunt trauma. Get him, Char Char. Char Char. Get him, Char Char. Yeah, by the way, Char Char stands for Charcoal Charlie. Don't ask us about the names, ask our kids. That's what happens when you let how old were they when they named the lizards? 6? 7?
5 and 6.
Yeah, they're 5 and 6-year-old, so they wanted to name it Doors. So we went with it, and my mom suggested the other one be named Knobs. So we went with it. Everyone was fighting, oh, let's call the cat Charcoal, because he's black, and the other one was saying, no, Charlie. So I suggest call him Charcoal Charlie. So it's Char Char. And why do we name Chester the mouse?
I thought that was a good mouse name.
Okay. Should have named him Lucky, since he should have been food. It's our cheapest pet, $1.50.
It probably still could be, apparently.
Yeah, put him indoors this side. Well, if we forget to get mice one day or something, just
Nice.
take him out of his cage. Be like, alright, you've lived long enough. You did that right as I said that. Indoors is warming up.
Knobs' feet and hands aren't like Dors's. His are straight.
Yeah, maybe if you YouTubers are watching this, you can give us any suggestions. He's got like knots and stuff on his feet. Almost looks like they're broken or something. Oh, don't freak out. I don't know if you can tell. We don't know what would be the cause of this. Maybe a calcium deficiency. We don't want to lose this guy, so any suggestions are appreciated. I'm gonna load up their tank. I don't know how big it is, but it's, I think, 7 feet long, a couple feet deep. Had to put that in between them because they're both boys and they now fight for dominancy. Actually, this guy still has war scars from their one fight. Thor's got him on the tail real good. That's when we decided we have to keep them separated. They're fine together in the tub and stuff, but anywhere else, don't even think about it. And this is our, what we think to be half ragdoll cat. He's too playful right now to show what a ragdoll is, but he flops around any position you put him in. A very lovey cat. See how he sits, he just spreads out his legs. Alright, this mouse is going to get some trauma if we don't put him back.
No, he won't.